In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Google Chrome from Internet Explorer. Start by opening Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can usually find it on the taskbar, in the Start menu, or by searching for it in the Windows search box. Once Internet Explorer is open, click into the address bar at the top of the window. Carefully type the official Chrome website address, google.com/Chrome, then press Enter on your keyboard. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the Google Chrome download page. It is important to use the official site so you avoid fake download buttons and unsafe copies of the installer. When the page finishes loading, look for the button that says Download Chrome and click it once. After you click Download Chrome, a download should begin. Internet Explorer may display a bar near the bottom of the window or a prompt that asks what you want to do with the file. If you see options like Run, Save, or Save As, the simplest choice is usually Run, because it downloads the installer and starts it right away. If you choose Save instead, remember where the file is saved, such as your Downloads folder, so you can open it in a moment. If you choose Run, wait while the installer downloads, then let it launch. If you chose Save, go to the Saved location, find the Chrome setup file, and double-click it to run the installer. When the installation completes, Google Chrome should open on its own. At that point, Chrome is installed and ready to use. You can also find it later in the Start menu, and you can pin it to your taskbar for easy access. And that is all there is to it.